Yep, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this AI franchise review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at AI franchise, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some high value bonuses for you to get you the best result with or without AI franchise, and that's the main reason why I'm actually doing this review. AI franchise goes live on the 3rd of February by 8 a.m. Eastern Time. This is another brilliant one from Michael Cheney. So, in a nutshell, AI franchise allows you, irrespective of your level of experience with affiliate marketing, AI franchise allows you to get the content of any affiliate offer. So if you can go to the sales page, right, of any affiliate product you want to promote. It could be a ClickBank affiliate product, it could be a Warrior Plus affiliate product, it could be a JV. So you name it, just go to the sales page. Once you get approved for this product, go to the sales page, copy the content of that sales page. It allows you to go to the AI franchise platform, put in this content there. It gives you access to actually generate this content. You can copy and paste into a Word document. Of course, if you want, you can convert that to PDF, but it asks you for your affiliate link. Immediately after you supply this, the next question is it asks you for your affiliate links and for your affiliate link, and that's when you drop your affiliate link, and then you get this content which you can practically just give away. Now, this actually gives value because this content, it is not just what you have on a sales page. Now, from that sales page, it actually detects what the product is about, and then generate some high quality content which you can actually put in this document and then add your affiliate link to it. Now, I've put together some high quality bonuses here to ensure you are able to bring this home, to ensure you are able to convert this into profit, because you're going to get traffic more easily. Now, AI franchise allows you to create social media posts as well. You can put in your prompt, generate pictures, and also social media content, and do that severally, and then you can basically generate high converting content and then drive traffic ultimately through social media, which is fine. Now, what you are going to be getting from me as bonuses are going to be these bonuses are actually going to be allowing you to generate some completely free traffic, which is where the problem usually is with quite a number of newbies. So I'm going to run through my custom bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see how AI franchise works. Now, this is my bonus page. You find this just right below this video, and then you can come and actually pick this up anytime after 8 a.m. 3rd of February. So bonus number 1, you are getting access to 50,000 ChatGPT prompts, allowing you to get the best out of AI, so to speak. Bonus number 2, you are getting access to 700 plus ready-made courses and sales funnels with PLR license, allowing you to sell this at your own price and, of course, completely keep 100% of the profit you get. You are getting 10,000 plus responsive WordPress themes, plugins, Shopify themes, templates, HTML templates, and all sorts. You are getting access to 5,000 plus social media templates. Now, when we talk about driving bonuses, this is where we get started. As a newbie, one of the problems you are going to be experiencing is inability to get, completely free, high quality traffic that can possibly get you sales. And these are this one is a cloud-based software. That's bonus number 5, gives you access to the traffic pool software. Now, one of the things it allows you to do is to create your own bonus pages like this from Done For You templates. Now, it gives you access to free traffic inside the members area, because you are getting access to the traffic rotator inside the members area. Every single person who has access to this software, gets access when they create a new funnel. It puts their funnel in the traffic rotator. So the more funnels you can create, the more traffic you are going to be getting, because you're actually going to be pushing your content, to everybody's feed right inside your own dashboard. So you're getting done for you bonuses also that you are going to be getting access to. And of course, you are also going to be able to use, present, and give out as bonuses for people as well. And also you are going to be getting access to auto links, which is a little bit similar to AI franchise, because auto links allows you to create this done for you PDF, which you can also customize and add your affiliate links. But in addition to this, you are getting access to funnels, so you can build your list, because if you are giving this away, you should be able to get people's contact as well, so you can build your list. People will need to give you access to their emails before they can get access to your affiliate links, to your done for you ebooks, which contains your affiliate links, which makes a lot of sense. Of course, bonus number 7, you're getting access to product that allows you to launch my own software product. Actually, then you can customize, white label these and sell completely as your own product while I do the support for you. So you are not going to be doing any work, but you have complete control, because you can even pick a name, and this access is also going to be created for you, and then you get access, pick a name and sell as your own product, which is amazing. Also, bonus number 8, you're also going to be getting access to commission loader. This gives you self-updating traffic website. You also get access to custom affiliate marketing funnels as well. You're also going to be getting access to bonus number 9, which is 1,000 subscribers in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche, and autoresponder software you can use on your own hosting as well. And of course, you get access to all the vendor bonuses in the members area of AI franchise. My own bonuses, all of my own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Warrior Plus. Simply log into Warrior Plus, go to your purchases, you find your purchase history, you'll find AI franchise, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it in blue. So if you click on any of the red buttons on this page, it's going to take you to the sales page of AI franchise, where you're going to be able to pick it up. And of course, we are going to be getting more information about AI franchise. So here it says, I'm letting you franchises proven, $247,584.65 business for less than $10, because I want to help the little guy. So 100% newbie friendly, no tech skills needed, no monthly fees. No paying for hires, no learning requirement, no website needed, no BS. So come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about AI franchise. You are going to be able to access your product by clicking on the green button, my own bonuses by clicking on the blue button. So that's my review of AI franchise. I'm going to let you see how this works. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.
Welcome to AI Franchise by Michael Cheney. Today I'm going to take you through a demo video and show you the 3 AI tools that we have inside of here. So we're going to go and get the lead magnet. So this is the bot just here, AI Franchise. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Get Lead Magnet. And basically what the bot wants is for you to go to the sales leader that you want to promote and copy and paste the body of the sales letter. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the whole entire sales letter. So we're going to copy that, and then we are going to go back over and we're going to input that data here. What the bot's going to ask for is, now please share your affiliate link. It's going to embed this into the lead magnet. So there's my affiliate link. Now that's going to be embedded inside of there. So here we have it. We have 5 options that we can choose. Daily routine, and paste it in here. That's the one that we want to do. Now, AI Franchise Bot is going to create that for you. Here we go, it's being created. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this over to a Word doc, and then we're going to head to the next step where we're going to create some images to go onto the doc that is going to make this into an incredible lead magnet. Now let's go and grab the images. I'm going to get a 40-plus-year-old man planning his morning routine. Great, that's exactly what we want. Create an image of a audience. Create an image of a clock. All right, now we have our images. We're on to get the final lead magnet. So what I've done is that I've put it all together and I've downloaded it and popped it into Google Drive. And here we have it, the 30-minute daily routine for affiliate success. The lead magnet is ready to go, and it has your affiliate link already embedded in here, and that's going to go straight to the offer when you're promoting it. Now let's get the traffic, and we're going to use the AI Franchise AI tool again. Now you'll see that there's a button here that says Get Social Posts. We're going to click. All we need to do now is put our hobbies in, and if we have a pair. Here we go. Now it's going to generate the post. You can generate as many posts as you like. Now we have the post. We are ready to go. Righty, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me with the demo of AI Franchise. We look forward to seeing you all on the 3rd of February. See you then.